Welcome everyone! Here is how to use the camera button known as camera control in iPhone 16 Pro or 16 Pro Max. We first need to set up the button. We do that by opening up our settings. Then scroll all the way down until you see the camera options. Inside of here, I want you to select the camera control. So first of all, you can choose if you open up the camera app with a single click of this button or click, which is double click. The second thing is under controls, I want you to turn on camera adjustments. That will allow you to have a lot more customization. And finally, you will see launch visual intelligence at the bottom. You want to turn on the press and hold. If you don't see this launch visual intelligence area, then what you need to do is head back to your home page's settings, and above camera is the Apple Intelligence and Siri. You need to go into here and you need to turn on Apple Intelligence. Then you'll have the option. If for whatever reason you can't turn on Apple Intelligence, then you won't be able to use that visual intelligence feature. So when we click the camera control button once, it will open up the camera app. If you program to click twice, just click. Inside of here, if you click this button once, it will take a picture or start the video recording. However, instead of doing a full click, if you do a light press, so just press down lightly, you can see it will open up this menu and then you can slide to change your options. So currently it's at zoom. If we want to use something else, just do two light taps. So light tap once, light tap again. So just tap, and then you have the different camera options. You can slide across and then just tap once to select and then slide across to change your options again. Now for visual intelligence, we just need to press and hold the camera control button until it opens the visual intelligence area. And then how this works is if we take a picture or something, what you can do is you can either tap the search and it will go through Google Images to find a match of what you've searched up, or you can tap on ask and it will ask AI to tell you information about the image you have taken. So it's that simple, real quick. YouTube do not promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.